Hello and welcome back to Jillies Nails. Today we're going to do this cute train manicure for Father's Day. And I got a cat hair up my nose when I turned on my mic. There was a cat hair on my mic. It's bugging me now. Sorry. We are going to use this clear jelly stamper plate again because suddenly I'm obsessed with it and I can't stop using it because why not spell out things on your hands, right? Both of these polishes that I'm using today came out of the Mani by Me box for April. It was a coffee themed box. If you're interested in that, you can use code JILLIE, JILLIE10 to get $5 off your first month and 10% off of anything else. It helps support the channel. Thank you. I am going to go through and do my first coat, and if you will notice, the acrylics are gone. I took them off today. They were starting to lift, which is pretty typical for me. They tend to lift from the back. Even if I have professionals put them on, I think it's because I type so much all day. So they do tend to lift, and they were doing it, and I only damaged like 2 spots on my nails taking them off, so I'm pretty impressed with that. It took freaking forever. I was being very patient. Trying to make sure I got it off. Had a little Green Mile movie marathon while I did my nails tonight. And after a good old-fashioned ugly cry, I finished them up. That movie's just, love it. Anyway, this is the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry top coat. And I'm going to use the Queen latex tape to go around my fingers. Just so you know, if you buy this one, it can get kind of gummy on the inside of the cap. I use the lint-free pad and just reach up there and grab it. It kind of looks like a wad of gum. And I'll just pull it off to kind of help get rid of some of that googe on the brush. All right. Honest truth time. This was unpleasant. I don't even know how many times I redid it. This is my clear jelly stamper. It was just not picking up this whole image, and I'm going to show you in a minute on my lint roller. Like, it looks fine. Everything looks like it should be good, but it even looks like it picks up well through the top. But when I flipped it over and looked at it, not so much. So I'm giving the plate a super good clean again just to make sure that everything's out of it and going for it again. And that was actually the worst pickup out of any of them. If you can see there, and I get my finger stuck to the lint roller with the latex tape. But you can see it's only picking up part of the tracks. It's not picking up the whole set. So we're going to go in again and see if we can get this thing to pick up. And I scraped really light this time, and I grabbed my Maniology monocle stamper. It's a little bit stickier. That made all the difference in the world. The other stamper that I was using was just a little too firm to pick up everything it needed to. So if you're having a problem like that while you're stamping, try swapping out stampers. Sometimes they're just fussy and won't work with certain plates. It doesn't mean the plate's bad, doesn't mean the stamper's bad. It just means they're not BFFs. And you know, if you're like me, you can waste your time and do it 4 freaking times before you decide to switch them out. Now, the reason that I'm doing the train manicure for my dad is my dad loves machines. Like, I really think if he had not worked his career, he would have been a engineer or something. Like, not a train engineer, like a mechanical engineer. Because he just loves that stuff. Cars, trains, planes, whatever. He loves all of it. Like, he will even watch YouTube videos of trains going by. He loves them. And I recall many times on childhood trips going to Tennessee and that kind of stuff, we would stop at a train that was a steam engine and take a ride on the steam engine while we were on vacation. We did that more than once. He really liked that one. So this is what that kind of makes me think of. And again, using the clear jelly stamper just to spell out Dad on my middle finger. Clear jelly stamper plate, to be specific, because I didn't want to mess with that other stamper again. My nail tools need to understand that if I get mad, I hold a grudge. Ask Seshvi that I haven't used in a couple weeks. So that is what it looks like after I put a top coat on, a shiny top coat of the Sally Hansen Dries Instantly Polish. And then I'm going to go in with the matte Wet n Wild top coat. I actually really like this top coat. It's 99 cents on their website. It seems like maybe they're getting rid of all the nail polishes with these caps though, and kind of changing out their formulas some. So if you want one, I would try to go grab them, and probably grab a couple if I were you, because honestly it looks like they're going to stop selling them. I might be wrong, but that's what it looks like. And if you look at my pinky, you can see how matte that polish gets very quickly. And that is what it looks like all finished and matted up. Just a very cute, simple kind of manly girl manicure, maybe. So that is for my dad. He's always been very supportive of my nails. I appreciate it. Love you, Dad. Mwah, mwah. Happy Father's Day. Thank you, everybody else, for watching. I appreciate your time. Bye-bye.